AT&T has been involved with the Fernbank Museum of Natural History for quite some time. As a member of the Board of Trustees, I've been looking for an opportunity to find a way to really use mobile technology in the museum to enhance the visitor experience and to enhance the operation by giving more analytics so that overall Fernbank can provide better service to its customers and be a very healthy organization.
The museum itself is celebrating its 20th anniversary in 2012, which is very exciting. We're one of the largest museums of natural history in the United States, and we are really about connecting people with the environment and exploring those connections.
So AT&T is all about connecting people, and Wi-Fi services are a really important component of the overall connectivity that we provide. As we designed the Wi-Fi network for the museum, we had to understand this building is quite large. It's got large open spaces, and at times they have high capacity of visitors in the museum. So we had to design and engineer a Wi-Fi network that would meet those conditions.
The museum is very excited to have the latest technology coming online this fall, and we'll have our first museum app as well for our guests to experience. It will be a great navigational tool for them so that they can find their way. It'll allow them to take an exploration through the museum like never before, exploring new content that they can't get otherwise, and learn more about the exhibitions in new ways that were never before possible.
A major innovation is how the network will enable visitors to instantly and automatically see what services are available at the museum.
We wanted to make sure that the content presented to them was relevant to the specific exhibit that they were looking at.
So you walk into the Great Hall, and a question we often have had is, can you imagine what these dinosaurs would look like if they were walking through here today? This app will make that possible.
We had to find the right set of partners that could bring this together for this young museum in a way to really make a difference. The Fernbank Museum was delighted to understand that AT&T and Cisco were willing partners ready to work with them to bring this solution to the museum.
Well, this technology that Cisco and AT&T have been able to bring to the museum is really making it easy on guests. So when you walk up, sometimes things will trigger automatically and you're not sure why. But there's a reason we've wanted it to trigger, and the network and the platform that it's operating on are going to enable that to happen. So the application will be dynamic in that sense, bringing the information to the visitors and not forcing them to go find the information. We can hopefully prompt people, if you're interested in this, you might be interested in the IMAX film that's also about this topic. Or you might be interested in the merchandise that we have that relates to this fossil. So for us, it's a new business opportunity from that standpoint as well. This new technology is coming with a lot of back-end analytics that are really important for business planning here at the museum. So we'll know what areas within the museum are attracting people more right now. That will help us plan new exhibitions even better than before.
We're really excited to be able to experiment with a lot of these technologies and believe that a lot of different types of companies will benefit from the type of experiences that we're putting together here from Fernbank. All in all, with Fernbank providing the vision of what they wanted the application to do, AT&T providing the network technology and the service maintaining that, and Cisco providing the hardware and the technology, we've really put those pieces together to deliver a great experience for Fernbank and for Fernbank's visitors.